How's it going? Respect for watching the channel. Love for showing love. Appreciate it. Show more love. Keep showing love. I'm on 500 subs now. I need to get to 1,000. Help me reach there by showing love. It's free to subscribe. If you were trying to learn animation, if you're trying to learn drawing, all that stuff, check the videos. I've got bears on it, and on this one I'm gonna do a little time lapse. For my fellow animators, keep going, keep striving, and even if you're not, just keep working on what you're working on. I don't know what your program is, but you know what it is. When it's program time, it's program time. Keep pushing and make time for yourself as well. Make time for your health. And I'm out. I'm gonna add the time lapse of an art right now.
Yeah, you are now rocking with the best. West Coast, let's ride. Rolling down the boulevard, window down low, sun setting on the city, putting on a show. Got the system knocking, speakers about to blow. Just another day in Cali, y'all already know. 6-4 bouncing, hitting them switches with ease. Palm trees swaying in the Pacific breeze. We just cruising on a sunny afternoon. Ain't nothing but a G thing moving to the groove. West side forever, we got nothing to prove. From Compton to Long Beach, the legacy is strong. Putting it down on the wax where we all belong. Chronic smoke filling the air, writing a new song. They said we never make it, guess they got it wrong. Still on top of the game.